All right, today we are, welcome back to the channel for starters, and we're going to attempt to, the back wheel is binding a touch. So we're going to attempt to, well, first things first, we're going to change the pads, take this off, change the pads, and see if I can free it up without having to take the whole caliper apart. So let's see what state it's in. It's not looking pretty good back here. I have, I'm not gonna lie, just was testing the size Allen bolt that I needed, and I just managed to free up that bolt, and I think that's the only thing holding it in. The bolt is just down there, so this is now pretty loose. So first step, let's get this thing off. What about that? Is that a pretty good camera view, do we think, with what the hell I'm doing? Let's try maybe that. All right, let's see if we can take this off and what happens. The wheel is a bit funky thing. Do I need to take the wheel off, do I think? It's gonna suck ass if I do. Interesting. How am I supposed to get this thing out? Because this is where my two little pins are. Here. It's got to come out this way. Well, let's see if we can move it. Okay, hold that thought. Okay, and there's our bright new discs, pads that are in there, nice and red. You're supposed to take the rear wheel off to do this. It says so in the manual, and I completely discovered why this is. That was a massive pain in the ass. I actually can't take the rear wheel off because behind this thing there is a 22mm Allen bolt, which I don't have, and neither does my nearest Halfords, so I'm going to have to order one of those. But and I totally understand why they told you to do that. But this is now been done, which is excellent. So I couldn't have the camera going because, to be honest, it was way too much swearing going on for us to get onto YouTube. So yeah, that was the definitely how to take it off but not how to put it on example. But we are in good shape. So next up, I'm going to, they just came in, I'm going to replace the crush washer on there on the petrol tank, so I'm going to quickly drain it, and then also put on one of those shake washers that we lost back into the tank, and then I can fill this bad boy up, and then we get dangerously close. I do need to put a new connector on here, and we need to work on the forks, and then those tires in there, just boom, put those on, and then I think we're about ready to go to the MOT station. Exciting. All right, next stop, fuel tank.